Hi, this is Mr. Holding. This quick video is basically how to get access to ScreencastOmatic as a program to be able to do screencasts. So I'll get into it straight away. Okay, so first of all, you need to access a web browser. I'm just using Safari and type in ScreencastOmatic. All right, so screencast-o-matic. Okay, I've got it there. Any dramas, just Google it, and it should take you to this page here. Okay, there are a number of different options that you can use in terms of logging in, signing up, and getting a download copy. In this instance, we're just going to use the free version, which is launched straight off the page. So we're going to go to this section here. Start recording for free. All right, and then we're going to hit the launch free recorder. Now, this is not going to, if this is the first time you've used this software, your computer's response will be different to mine. I've obviously downloaded it, so I don't need to download the launcher. So what will happen is you'll click this, this will come up, and it will prompt you to download a launcher. I don't need to do that because I've obviously got it. Click allow, the little launcher will appear. And normally what would happen is this little screen you see over here would pop up. Okay. Now obviously you can't see that in mine because I'm using ScreencastOmatic to film this video. Okay, you can see here download launcher. That's what you would do. Just go through the steps. If you need some support in terms of doing that, feel free to let me know or talk to IT. But basically once you've done that, you'll launch it, and what will happen is you can come here and it will pop up, and what you'll see in your screen is basically this here. Okay, I've got another video which I'll share as well, which will, once you've got this on your page, how to actually use it, but this is how you get access to it. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask.